Hello, and welcome to our lesson on qualitative risk assessment. In this segment, we will continue discussing Perform Qualitative Risk Analysis technique. The assessments conducted during the Perform Qualitative Risk Analysis process are inherently subjective, rooted in the perceptions of risk held by the involved project team and other stakeholders. It is imperative to recognize that these perceptions are influenced by individual biases and attitudes toward risk. Effectively managing these biases requires explicit identification and proactive management of the risk attitudes of key participants involved in the process. Risk perception plays a pivotal role in introducing bias into the assessment of identified risks. Each individual's unique cognitive biases and subjective interpretations can color their evaluation of risk likelihood and impact. Therefore, it is essential to remain observant in identifying and addressing these biases to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the risk assessment process. When a facilitator is engaged to support the Perform Qualitative Risk Analysis process, addressing bias becomes a central aspect of their role. The facilitator must navigate the diverse perspectives and attitudes towards risk held by participants, fostering an environment conducive to open dialogue and critical examination of risk factors. By facilitating discussions aimed at uncovering underlying biases and assumptions, the facilitator helps to mitigate the influence of subjective judgments on the risk assessment outcomes. Furthermore, evaluating the quality of available information on individual project risks is crucial in clarifying their importance to the project. By scrutinizing the reliability, relevance, and completeness of the information at hand, project teams can make more informed decisions regarding the prioritization and mitigation of risks. This process aids in distinguishing between perceived risks and those supported by robust evidence, thereby enhancing the overall effectiveness of risk management efforts. Further, the project manager should define the ranges of probability and impact in the risk management approach, aligning them to organizational overall risk appetite. A good practice is to start the qualitative assessment workshop by presenting these ranges to align participants and minimize individual biases. In essence, managing bias and attitude toward risk is integral to ensuring the integrity and validity of the Perform Qualitative Risk Analysis process. By fostering a culture of awareness and accountability surrounding risk perception, project teams can enhance their ability to identify, assess, and respond to risks in a proactive and informed manner. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss the risk matrix. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.